Top 3 Foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Build stronger, healthier muscles. Do you often wake up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps or find it tough to move because of muscle tightness? You're not alone, and here's the good news. What you eat can make a big difference. The right foods can help relax your muscles, improve circulation, and stop cramps before they even start. In this video, we're uncovering the top 3 superfoods that help seniors stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and support better mobility. Stick around, you won't want to miss these simple but life-changing nutrition tips. Before we jump in, tell me in the comments where you're tuning in from. I'd love to know. And if you have any questions, drop them below, I'm happy to answer. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another health-boosting video. Let's start with our first food, eggs. Among the many foods that nourish muscles, eggs stand out as a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. But how do eggs really help reduce leg cramps in older adults? Let's find out together. Muscle fatigue is one of the main reasons behind cramps, and protein plays a key role in repairing and maintaining muscles. As we age, muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, becomes more common, making us more vulnerable to cramps and weakness. Eggs are considered a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids the body needs. A single large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein that helps rebuild muscle tissue, reduces fatigue, and improves muscle contraction efficiency, all of which help minimize cramps. Adding eggs to your daily meals can support muscle strength, improve endurance, and significantly lower the risk of painful spasms. So how does vitamin D in eggs support muscle and bone health? Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Without enough of it, muscle weakness, cramps, and even chronic pain can occur. Studies show that seniors with vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. Egg yolks naturally provide vitamin D, which supports both bone and muscle health. While sunlight remains the best way to make vitamin D naturally, many older adults spend less time outdoors, so dietary sources become even more important. Eating eggs regularly can help seniors maintain healthy vitamin D levels and lower the risk of cramps. However, diet alone may not meet all vitamin D needs. A single egg contains around 40 IU of vitamin D, while older adults typically need 800 to 1,000 IU daily. To increase intake, seniors can pair eggs with vitamin D fortified foods such as milk, yogurt, or fatty fish like salmon and sardines. Spending time outdoors also helps boost natural vitamin D production. Combining eggs with other sources supports better muscle and bone function, while reducing cramp frequency. Another vital nutrient in eggs is vitamin B12, which plays a direct role in maintaining healthy nerves. When B12 levels drop, nerve communication suffers, causing muscle spasms, tingling, and cramping. Eggs provide both B12 and choline, which help protect the nerve's myelin sheath and ensure smooth communication between muscles and the nervous system. This combination prevents neuropathy-related cramps, which are common among seniors and those with diabetes. Regularly eating eggs supports nerve integrity, reducing misfired signals that cause muscle contractions. Older adults are more likely to develop B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid, which hinders absorption. Some medications, such as those for diabetes or acid reflux, can also lower B12 levels. Low B12 can lead to frequent cramps, muscle weakness, and nerve pain, including tingling or numbness, as well as anemia, which limits oxygen flow to the muscles. Eggs are a senior-friendly source of B12, easy to digest, low in fat, and highly nutritious. They're a convenient way to prevent deficiencies that may trigger cramps and nerve issues. While meat, fish, and dairy also supply B12, eggs offer a lighter alternative, especially beneficial for those watching fat intake or dealing with weaker digestion. For vegetarians who eat dairy but avoid meat, eggs are among the best ways to keep B12 levels balanced. Now, how many eggs should seniors eat per week for healthy muscles without worrying about cholesterol? Current research shows that moderate egg consumption, about 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most healthy adults and doesn't significantly affect cholesterol. For those with heart conditions, consulting a doctor is best, But replacing processed meats with eggs is still a heart-smart move. Can eggs help reduce nighttime leg cramps? Yes. Nocturnal cramps are often caused by poor recovery, low electrolytes, or nerve issues. Because eggs supply protein for muscle repair, B12 for nerve function, and vitamin D and calcium for muscle control, including them in dinner or breakfast, can support overnight recovery and reduce nighttime cramping. However, seniors with certain health conditions may need adjustments. For example, those with kidney disease may need to limit protein, and individuals with high cholesterol can opt for egg whites. Diabetics can pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like vegetables or whole grains for better blood sugar balance. For most older adults, eggs are one of the simplest and most effective foods for maintaining muscle, nerve, and overall health. To maximize their benefits, eat eggs regularly, 6 to 7 per week. Pair with nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. Stay hydrated and balance electrolytes. So next time you prepare breakfast, crack an egg. It's one of the best foods for keeping muscles strong and cramps away. 2. Bananas' potassium is essential for proper muscle contraction, nerve function, and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop, a condition called hypokalemia, muscles become prone to spasms. Bananas are one of nature's best potassium sources. One medium banana provides about 420 milligrams, roughly 12% of your daily needs. By maintaining potassium levels, bananas help regulate muscle contractions, ensure smooth nerve communication, and maintain hydration, all crucial for preventing cramps. For seniors, eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can noticeably reduce muscle cramp frequency. So, what happens when potassium gets too low? Potassium is responsible for transmitting electrical signals between nerves and muscles. When levels fall, muscles become overreactive and prone to spasms. Nerve messages may misfire, causing involuntary contractions and stiffness. Studies show that seniors are especially vulnerable to low potassium due to reduced appetite, poor diet, medication side effects like diuretics, or dehydration. Adding bananas to daily meals helps restore healthy potassium levels and promotes normal muscle activity. Another important mineral is magnesium, which helps muscles relax and prevents overexcitability. It supports energy production, ATP, for movement and regulates both calcium and potassium balance. Each banana offers about 32 milligrams of magnesium, contributing to muscle relaxation and recovery. Many seniors don't consume enough magnesium, so combining bananas with magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens can reduce cramps and aid recovery. Nighttime leg cramps often occur due to electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, or circulation issues. Because bananas contain potassium, magnesium, and hydrating carbohydrates, eating 1 to 2 hours before bed may help muscles unwind, restore electrolyte balance, and improve sleep by reducing tension and spasms. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which is essential for nerve and muscle health. It helps the body produce neurotransmitters that control movement, reduces inflammation, and boosts red blood cell production to deliver oxygen to muscles. One banana provides around 0.4 milligrams of B6, about 30% of the daily need. Low B6. An 2018 study found that seniors with low B6 intake had significantly more leg cramps. Bananas naturally replenish potassium and magnesium, balance fluids, and provide hydration, all helping muscles function properly. To prevent dehydration-related cramps, seniors should pair bananas with adequate fluids, at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. For an extra boost, eat bananas with coconut water, which provides additional electrolytes. Maintaining hydration and mineral balance is key for smooth muscle performance. How many bananas should seniors eat per day? Generally, 1 banana per day provides enough potassium and magnesium for muscle support. Those experiencing frequent cramps may benefit from 2 daily. Because bananas contain natural sugars, diabetics should eat them in moderation and pair them with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to prevent blood sugar spikes. For most older adults, 1 banana a day, along with proper hydration, can make a noticeable difference in reducing cramps. 3. Nuts and seeds. While potassium-rich foods like bananas and greens are excellent, nuts and seeds offer another powerful defense against cramps. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all essential for muscle relaxation, better circulation, and electrolyte balance. Let's explore how almonds, pumpkin seeds, and cashews can help keep muscles strong and cramp-free in seniors. Many older adults fall short on magnesium intake, leading to frequent, painful cramps. Nuts and seeds are among the best natural magnesium sources. Here's how much each offers per 1 ounce serving. Pumpkin seeds, 168 milligrams, 40% daily value. Almonds, 77 milligrams, 20%. Cashews, 74 milligrams, 19%. Just a small handful each day can restore magnesium levels and support relaxed, healthy muscles. Nuts and seeds also provide potassium. Pistachios, 290 milligrams, almonds, 200 milligrams, and cashews, 160 milligrams per ounce, helping restore electrolytes lost through sweat and activity. Why are nuts and seeds so effective for restoring electrolytes? Because they're high in both magnesium and potassium, they aid recovery, reduce inflammation, and supply protein for tissue repair. For seniors who experience post-exercise cramps, eating a handful of nuts or sprinkling seeds on meals can make a big difference. Healthy fats found in nuts and seeds improve circulation, ensuring muscles get enough oxygen and nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and flax seeds help fight muscle inflammation, while monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews boost blood flow, reducing cramp risk. Poor circulation often causes painful nighttime cramps, so adding nuts to the diet can significantly help. Do nuts and seeds also reduce inflammation that contributes to cramps and fatigue? Yes, they contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect muscles from oxidative stress, reduce soreness, and speed up recovery. For seniors dealing with chronic muscle pain or arthritis, adding walnuts, flax seeds, or almonds can naturally relieve inflammation and enhance muscle performance. How much should seniors eat daily? Because nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, moderation matters. A small handful, about 1 ounce, or 20 almonds/2 tablespoons of seeds per day is ideal. You can enjoy them with meals to enhance absorption, before bed to prevent nighttime cramps, after exercise to restore electrolytes and aid recovery. Some tips for safe consumption: watch portion sizes to avoid excess calories. Choose unsalted or dry roasted varieties to prevent dehydration from sodium. Be cautious if you have allergies. If digestion is sensitive, start with small amounts. By making nuts and seeds a regular part of your diet, you can keep muscles relaxed, improve circulation, and prevent painful cramps naturally. If you found this video helpful, please tap the like button. It really helps us continue creating valuable content. Leave a comment below with your questions, or let us know what topic you'd like to see next. And of course, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip from Rational Health Doc. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.